with the big,
Romina. You know her father's a lawyer.
So? There's no law against fucking.
Oh, I mean, she's smart. She'll run a mile as soon as you open your mouth.
Johnny.
Oh, the finest horseman in all of Sicily.
This is who we are waiting for. At our madre, we're riding out with the sheet shovelers now.
Hey, Enzo stepping up saved your uncle's pride and you from a serious beating. He earned himself a change of scenery. If he wants it.
Where are you going?
Don Torrisi looks out for people around here. Make sure they are protected from misfortune. That security comes with a price, of course, so we're going to collect what we are owed.
So what do you need me for?
Well, sometimes a client is feeling less than cooperative and we need to,
Teach them a lesson.
remind them of their obligations. An extra pair of hands helps jog their memory. But don't worry. You keep your eyes open and listen.
Besides, what else you got to do? Come on, time is money.
Listen to this Ukatsaru barking orders. Yeah. We have a few people to visit today, all down in the valley.
It's a lot of riding around. Your neck better be up to it, mine boy.
Don't worry. You'll be fine. Do you make these visits often?
Often enough. Don Torrisi likes to call in on his clients every now and then.
Every fucking week.
All right. I'm around for whatever you need. Just tell me what to do.
Hey, you hear that, Cesare? That's what the work ethic sounds like.
Ever had to get physical with anyone, Caruso? Must have gotten rough down in the pit.
I had my own.
There is more than lonely miners to fend off out here. You think you can step up?
Stop acting tough, Cesare. It doesn't suit you.
He's unproven. This is a man's work.
Oh yeah? Then I should have left you at home.
Who do you protect the people from for this money?
There are thieves and bandits all through the hills. They prey on everybody. And the law, the guardie, they don't help.
Just as bad as the bandits.
Life is tough out here, Enzo. And so, people turn to the Don when they are in need. He just asked for something in return. To dip his beak, you might say.
A little taste here and there, that's all.
We've got to make a quick stop up ahead. There's an olive farmer we need to see.
This is our first collection?
That's right. But this should be straightforward. The farmer, he rents land from Don Torrisi. He makes good money, always pays on time. Just watch and learn. Here we are. This won't take a minute.
Signore Trappa. It's good to see you.
Salutamo.
Please, I'll mind the horses. My father's in his yard.
Grazie.
Marco! Signor Trapani is here to see you.
You'd think the King of Italy was visiting.
Sta muto. These are the Don's tenants. They give us no trouble. You should appreciate things being seen.
Gianluca, a pleasure as always.
Marco, I trust you're well.
I'm old. Everything hurts. And my son prefers the bottle to the rake. But who can complain?
You need to shake some sense into him. A man your age shouldn't work like you do. Aside from the aches and pains, how's business?
Olives grow, and we make money. Speaking of which,
And no trouble?
who would bother us? This is the Don's land.
Well, you know where I am.
Of course. Please, give my regards to Don Torrisi.
I will. Cesare, Enzo, let's go. We have more stops to make.
As you said. Easy.
Marco has rented land from the Don for many years. We provide protection for his family and his livelihood. So yes, there's trust.
They respect you.
I don't flatter him. It's the Don that they respect. And his land they're leeching off.
They understand our business. They pay for a service, and in return sleep easy at night.
I've been thinking. We should use a car for collections.
There's nothing wrong with horses.
Farmers ride horses. A car shows women business. That we're a cut above.
You want to take a car down these tracks? You won't make much of an impression getting towed out of the ditch.
You know your problem? Always expecting the worst. I drive these collections in half the time and have you back in time for lunch and a little nap with Valentina.
It's not about the speed, Cesare. We don't need the attention. Okay, next stop's going to be a farm. They produce lemons, and the owner's late on his payments.
Finally, we get to have a little fun.
Follow my lead. Both of you. It shouldn't be too much trouble.
They look worried.
They know why we're here.
When we do business, people look the other way if they know what's good for them. He'll be in here.
So we head inside?
That's the idea, Caruso. You first.
Wait a minute. The farmer here. He has a son. In front of him, he's too proud to give up what he owes right away, but he always pays. So I give him a little back and forth.
This again.
So? What do we do?
We let him act tough in front of the boy.
And then we remind him of his obligations.
Yours is unloaded. You give him a chance to be brave. And then, you let him see it. That's it. Let's get this done. Signora Fini.
Signore Trapani. What a pleasant surprise.
Oh, come on now. I think we both know that this is no surprise. But we can make it pleasant, I hope.
Oh, what is this, Papa?
Quiet. I have no need of Don Torrisi's services today. But please take all the fruit you can carry as a token of my respect.
That's very kind. Perhaps you can send those up to the estate. But I am here for the money you owe. As we have discussed before, the Don is always working on your behalf.
And as I have mentioned before, I have no need for protection.
Adversity can strike when you least expect it. I strongly advise you to pay what you owe.
Thank you for your concern. But I can handle my own affairs.
Very well. Then I will leave you in the hands of my friend here. Enzo?
You're going to shoot me? Offer 100 lira?
I hope I don't have to.
Think about what you're doing here!
Just pay them, Papa.
Your son is smart. You must be very proud.
See how the boy likes it, Caruso.
You want to point that at someone? Point it at me!
The hero.
Pay what you owe, and nobody gets hurt.
All right. There's money in the back room. Give me a minute to fetch it.
Don't go to any trouble. Enzo will get it.
Fine. You get it then.
There's a safe back here.
So, open it.
It's locked.
The combination. What is it?
I don't know. I can't remember.
Ranamazzari. What do I need to do to jog your memory?
Nothing. It's on a scrap of paper.
Combination is written down on some paper, Enzo. Look around.
I've got it.
Now we are getting somewhere. Open it up.
Now what do you need us? What are you looking at?
What?
You think I'm not serious?
Nobody's looking at you.
Well, I'm looking at you.
Hey, shut up, all of you. You're giving me a headache.
Hey, I've got the money.
Are we happy?
Very.
You got what you came for. Now get out of here.
So good to see you, as always. And thanks again for the fruit.
Please, don't choke on it.
I know what you're going to say. We got the money, didn't we? I didn't shoot anybody.
This time, you control yourself. When I apply pressure, it has a purpose. When you get loud, it's emotion. Learn the difference.
Whatever you say. So, Caruso, you still prefer this to life in the mine?
What kind of question is that?
If you'd spent a day underground, you wouldn't ask.
Don't be so dramatic. It's no easy thing out here either.
Enough, Cesare. Our next stop is the quarry. The owner took a loan from the Don to finance his latest venture, but we haven't heard anything since.
So, same as last time?
Let's wait and see. The owner usually pays on time. Something is not right.
About that redhead. Gabriella, was it?
Ranamazzari. Not this again.
Hey, how am I going to meet a girl to marry if I don't try a few out? What about you, Caruso? You getting any?
No.
I heard that pig that was butchered for Isabella's name day has a sister.
You handled yourself well back there at the farm. In our line of work, you have to know when to push and when to pull.
Would we have, taken it further?
The trick is to skim the cream without breaking the bottle. Violence is only ever a last resort.
It's really not that complicated. Knock, knock, crack heads, take the money.
And that's why Cesare's uncle doesn't let him out on his own.
What's all this?
What is closed, senor?
Not to us, it isn't.
We're with Don Torrisi. Out of the way.
Lazy bastard, they are just standing around. Shouldn't they be hitting rocks or something?
Let's find the owner and get to the bottom of this.
You got to leave. We can wait out here all day.
Stand aside. I need to speak with your boss.
No boss of mine in there.
All right, then. How about you get out of the way before I put a pick through your skull?
Be my guest. Saves me breaking this door down. You ask that deadbeat where our money is.
Signore Vanaglio, open up.
Who is it?
Luca Trapani.
My apologies for all the commotion. As you can see, matters have gotten out of hand.
What's going on out there?
I took on some men from Colezzolfo. Damn socialistas. They are on strike, if you can believe that.
You know Don Torrisi takes a dim view on strikes. What is their complaint?
A deal fell through. I don't get paid, they don't get paid. It's as simple as that.
We'll stamp this out before it takes hold. Who is the ringleader?
A stonecutter called Manuele. Big guy, loud mouth. You can't miss him.
Good to know. Enzo, let's go.
Suka minchia, hides away like a fucking coward. And wants us to break our backs? Well, if he doesn't get his hand in his pocket, he's gonna get my foot in his ass! What is this now?
Manuel, isn't it?
Do I know you?
No. But I know your employer, and he's a friend of my boss, Don Torrisi.
Good for him.
We can't have strikes around here, Manuele. You and your friends need to get back to work. This is bad for everyone, bad for business.
Fuck your business.
There's no need to cause a scene. Just get back to work.
You're going to make me.
Seems that my friend is going to take it from here.
If that's how you want it. Not too late to put away your blade and leave with those.
Where's that big mouth now, huh?
Bastard.
It.
Bastardo inutili. Alright.
Anyone else? No?
Quit standing around.
Get back to work! Your little revolution is over. Pay the troublemakers what they are owed, then get rid of them.
Please, send my regards to Don Torrisi.
See you in a month. You're handy with a knife, mine boy. There might be hope for you yet.
He was all talk. If he had any balls, he would have taken his money already.
Andiamo!
And those workers had a point. They were owed their pay.
Right or not, we can't have labor unions on the Don's turf. We are in favor of free enterprise around here.
Lazy idioti. Maybe if they stop complaining, they might earn decent money.
It's easy for you to say. What have you ever had to work for?
I'm working now, aren't I?
Is that what you call it?
There were always union people around Colle Zolfo. Even protests when I was small. But nothing got better.
It never does. Back in the 90s, the Fasci Siciliani, unions were everywhere. The Don, Tino and me, we broke strikes. It was our specialty.
Shame it has to come to that.
The world is as it is. We keep order so people can work. That's good in its own way.
I suppose so.
Yeah! Faster!
You see there? That tower? We're coming to Porto Almaro.
I heard of it. It's a town on the sea.
The Galante family operates here. They're friends of ours.
Galante. Like the tuna.
Sure. Like the tuna.
Don Galante runs the shore. He goes way back with my uncle.
Good people to know.
Forza! Vai!
The Galantes run this port. They know everything that comes in, everything that goes out.
Bottles from around the world come off the boats, straight into the bar. And the girls upstairs, woo!
They earn good money, and they rarely have to get their hands dirty either. Remember, these are friends of ours. You hang back, I will do the introductions.
Leone, Leone.
You ever work around here or just sit around and play games?
Oh, un momento.
Merda!
We aim to keep our minds sharp, at least I do.
This is Enzo. He's been helping us out. He's a good kid, learns quick.
I hope he learns quicker than this one.
Shall we?
Of course. Inside.
Franco, for our friends here.
I am sorry to say it's a little light.
Trouble.
The Guarda has been difficult lately. More inspections, more eyes everywhere.
The new chief has brought in some of his own people. He got the foremen looking over their shoulders.
So go remind them how things work.
Exactly.
Anything we can lend a hand with?
The shortfall is due to a shipment that was taken into the customs warehouse before we got to it. Unexpected change of personnel.
We have a buyer.
Sure. But do you have a plan?
Need you ask?
You two, with Leo. And keep things quiet, all right?
Hey, what? You sit here scratching your balls?
We have business to discuss.
Come on, let's go.
Franco Nero d'Avola. You think I asked him to stand the grapes himself?
Scopa?
Come on.
It was Enzo, right?
That's right.
I'm Leo. Good to have you on board. Customs yard is this way. I saw you at the Palio. You're quite a rider.
Thanks.
Leo should be thanking you. He was taking bets on the race. Nobody thought you'd win.
That's true. We cleaned up.
What's the shipment anyway?
Premium whiskey from our friends in America. It's worth a fortune.
Then why did you let it get impounded? I thought you were the brains of this operation.
New police chief made a surprise visit, just as we were unloading. Bad timing.
Isn't it risky? Stealing from the Guardia.
We've robbed from this place more times than I can count.
The customs yard is where they send the officers who can't tie their bootlaces. Just keep your head, and you'll be fine. All right. Same plan as always, Cesare. I'll distract the Guardia on the gate. You two go over the back wall.
What are we looking for?
Whiskey. In boxes. Give me a signal when you find it. And keep quiet in there.
Come on, follow me.
Lead the way.
Yeah, I just bought these shoes. There, we can climb up. Keep that knife in your pocket. And don't raise the alarm. Capisti?
I get it. We're just here for the whiskey. All right. I'm in. What about you?
Just go find the whiskey.
Cesare! Cesare!
You hear what came into the...
Minchioni!
Off the American ship?
What?
Whiskey. And not a cheap swill. Humphreys. Straight from Empire Bay.
No paperwork, I take it.
What do you think? The shipment is on a cart by the front gate. Maybe we liberate a bottle or two at the end of our shift, huh?
liberate the bottle.
Sleep tight, amigo.
My lucky day. Was worth a look.
Another safe. Maybe the combination is nearby. Not bad.
Hey, enough sitting around.
Relax. I'm just taking a break.
We're behind 2 weeks on inspections and you're just taking a break?
Catch up over winter, like we always do.
here. This is it. The whiskey. Now to get it out of here.
It must be. No! No!
It's not enough. You wouldn't turn down a kindness, would you?
I am almost finished.
Bene. Shall we? He's enjoying some refreshment. Besides, his attention's on other things.
Grazie. Thank you, gentlemen.
Come. I'll get the goods shifted. You'll have the money tomorrow.
Bring it when you can. The Don knows you're good for it. See you around, Leo. Let's go. We're not done yet.
Luca, Cesare. Good to meet you, Enzo.
One more stop and we're done for the day.
Grazie a Dio. I need a drink. Where is it?
We're going to see old man Fiquera. He's a stubborn bastard, but he pays on time. We should be home by sunset.
Fiquera, his place is a mile away. Let's just leave him till next week.
He's on the book, so we see him today. No reason to hang around. Let's ride. Signor Fiquera, is something bothering you?
Yes, you could say that. 2 nights ago, thieves came and stole my new water pump. Hundreds of lira just thrown away.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I pay you to protect my property, yet you do nothing. I believe Don Torrisi to be an honorable man, but it seems he is no better than these thieves.
Hey! Watch your mouth.
Calma. Our friend here has a point.
You can't be serious.
Signor Fiquera, do you know where the thieves went?
How should I know? Back to the hills. Messina's bunch, if I had to guess.
You might be right. We'll look into it.
What are you thinking? Letting that old fool talk to you like that?
Fiquera is harmless, but he does have a big mouth. We solve this problem, people will hear about it. That helps our business.
If this is about sending a message, I vote we beat him blind.
Only grown-ups get to vote, Cesare. Bandits, they camp up there in the hills, away from the roads.
They're like rats, always hiding.
They roam around from place to place. I lived up here when I was a boy. I know their haunts.
Do you actually know where you are going?
Stamutu. There's a clear trail here. Besides, these briganti are creatures of habit. I have an idea where they are.
Now, whatever you say.
Look here. This ruin, a good vantage spot on Fichera's farm. Let's try higher ground. Up ahead, I see smoke. Bastardi are still there.
Yeah! Idiota! Now he's the rash one. Let's catch up to him before he gets himself killed. Faster! Go! Go! There he is. Just ahead. Let's catch up on foot.
What do you see?
Shitty old farm. It's abandoned.
The smoke.
Someone's here. I'd wager just who we're looking for. Pistol? When they stole from old man Fichera, they put their hands in the Don's pocket. We can't have that. I'll be waiting back at Fichera's place. Make sure you clean up.
You done this before?
Yeah, of course.
I've got your back, Cesare.
You better have.
Haven't we earned a little action?
You still get your
How do we do this?
You take the one on the right, by the well. I'll take the one on the left.
Got it.
You take the lead. We'll see if your shoveling days really are behind you.
Get him out of there! Reloading!
Nice work. You are right.
Sì, tutto bene. You?
Fine. Let's check inside. That pump has to be around here somewhere. Hey, come take a look at this. They sure have a lot of guns.
What are they doing with them?
How do I know? Let's find that pump and get out of here. Now this is a serious rifle. Take it. Let's see if you can handle something bigger than a pistol.
There's a list of names here.
Probably a list of targets. Rich people. Why rob peasants without 2 lire to rub together? Peta madre, those thieving bastards have been busy. I might do some thieving of my own.
Oh, feels good. Heavy.
As it should. That's a lot more firepower. Some bandages over here. Patch yourself up.
This Paolo Messina guy. Who is he?
A notorious bandit. King of the dunghill.
Cesare, over here. I found it.
Let's get out of here then. Open up the gate. Just fucking shoot, or we're dead! We've got him now!
Out of there.
They're coming around the back. Keep holding them off out here. Go in for the kill.
Still breathing.
Just give me a minute. The bodies. We need to get rid of them. The dead can't hurt you. Grab him and let's go. I can't drag them all myself. Come on. You already shot the guy. You scared to pick him up?
This wasn't how I thought I'd end my day.
You killed him. Least you can do is give him a proper burial.
It's one thing to kill a man.
Ah, save it. The dead don't care. Hurry it up, will you? The sooner we get out of here, the better.
Wait! What are you doing, Cesare? Keep him steady! You fat bastard is a finger like a sausage! Ma che minchia fu, Cesare?
Could be pure gold. He's got no use for it now. Sometimes there are opportunities Luke and my uncle they don't need to know about. Stays between us.
Va bene.
All right, we better go before Luke thinks we got ourselves killed. Hey, you did good today. For a mine boy.
Oh, here they are. Good work, boys.
Oh, fermo.
Is this what was stolen, signore?
That's all of it, grazie. Grazie mille.
Don Torrisi honors his commitments.
And the Don has my gratitude, of course.
I'm glad we could make things right. That will be 100 lira.
A what?
For this, oof, at least.
So 100. I'd say that's a good deal.
A damn good deal.
Thank you, Signor Fichera. We'll see you next month.
Facili, schiffiali, thieving bastards.